Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the WeCreat Vision Laser Cutter and Engraver. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The WeCreat Vision Laser is making waves in the world of laser cutting and engraving. It's hailed as user-friendly, safe, and high performance.
But does it deliver?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The WeCreat Vision Laser boasts simplicity and functionality. Its setup process is a breeze, taking just about 10 minutes to assemble and power up. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for home or small office use.
But what sets it apart is its unique auto-lifting top. This nifty feature adjusts the height to accommodate different material sizes, eliminating the need for manual adjustments.
And trust me, that's a game changer. Moving on to features, the WeCreat Vision Laser doesn't disappoint.
With a high-definition camera and proprietary software, aligning designs is a breeze.
Plus, its built-in air assist and extraction system ensures a clear workspace and high-quality cuts. And let's not forget about performance. Thanks to its 20W diode laser power and a maximum speed of 600 mm per second, this machine delivers top-notch results every time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the WeCreat Vision Laser won't let you down. So, what's the final verdict? The WeCreat Vision Laser is a winner in my book.
Its ease of use, safety features, and high performance make it a must-have for anyone looking to explore the world of laser cutting and engraving.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
That wraps up our review of the WeCreat Vision Laser.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.
Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.